Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Hope you guys are enjoying the channel. And so I just wanted to show you guys this real quick, what I did to this HDZero system, this little whoop light system in here. It's actually not bad out of box, but I was just looking for different antenna solutions for this thing to make reception and range a little better. And so now I've tried this Lollipop antenna here on it. And so the Lollipop antenna isn't that big. It looks a little large, but it's actually not that much weight. I have to officially weigh it to find out exactly how much weight, but I just threw this thing on here and just start flying it around, and it handles the extra weight. I've been flying it with this. It seems like the little setup that I got is working well. I have the patch antenna with a little lollipop on there. Well, not a lollipop, this is a mushroom right here. This is a lollipop on this thing here. But anyhow, just trying new things with this little HDZero whoop light system. I was just sitting here in the parking lot waiting for my kids. My kids are in homeschool, so they had PA testing today, so I had to drop them off to do testing, and I've been sitting here for a few hours, and I figured I might as well have some fun. I bought my little HD whoop system out here with a few packs, and I've just been flying this thing around out here. And so I figured that I'll show you guys some of the flight that I've been doing with this thing, so you guys can check out the reception that I'm getting here and all this concrete and all. I'm sitting here in the parking lot. We're on the 6th level and I've been flying this thing around. So yeah, that's the fun that I'm having with this thing. One of the little scenarios that you can be in and have fun with this thing still. So let me swap out to another pack. It always gives me static on the initial takeoff for some reason. Oh, we got somebody parking next to us again. They pulled off. windy out there. Sheesh. I know, he's like, what the heck is going on? I'm out here spooking out people with the HDZero 7mm Whoop creation with the Whoop light system. Thanks for watching.